When coughs, colds, or congestion make breathing difficult, one of the simplest and most effective remedies is thyme tea. More than just a kitchen herb, thyme has been used for centuries as a natural respiratory aid, helping to ease coughs, clear mucus, and fight infection with its antimicrobial power. Making thyme soothing tea is easy. Place 1 tablespoon of dried thyme leaves into a cup or teapot, then pour over 1 cup of boiling water. Cover and let it steep for 10 to 15 minutes so the medicinal oils can fully infuse into the tea. Once ready, strain out the herb leaves. If you like, add a teaspoon of honey and a slice of lemon, not only for flavor, but also for extra soothing and immune-boosting benefits. Sip the tea slowly while it's still warm, up to 3 times a day, for gentle respiratory support. Thyme works as an expectorant, helping loosen mucus, while also calming irritation in the throat and chest, making it a go-to remedy during cold and flu season. A quick safety note: avoid thyme tea if you are pregnant, breastfeeding, or allergic to thyme, and always check with a healthcare provider if you're taking medications or if a cough lingers for more than a few days. And that's it, your own Thyme Soothing Tea, a simple, time-tested addition to your home apothecary, offering warmth, comfort, and clear breathing when you need it most.